Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Open your sequence, confirm frame rate and resolution, then jump to the exact frame with the playhead. Once there, use the right-click context menu. Choose Add Frame, hold to freeze in place, or Export Frame to save a still image. Export gives a PNG or JPEG you can re-import. Do this because freezing inside the timeline keeps timing, while exporting gives flexibility for motion effects later. Make sure the program monitor shows the correct frame before you proceed. Once done with the initial freeze, refine the result by cutting the original clip and inserting a frame hold segment or a re-imported still. You can apply motion controls to scale or pan the frozen image. Apply warp stabilizer if the still needs smoothing. Nest the clip first for complex chains. Make sure to adjust the duration by dragging the clip edge or hitting duration and typing an exact time. This preserves sync with audio and other clips, so you avoid gaps or misalignment later. Finish by rendering the timeline to confirm smooth playback. Hit Enter to render effects and see the true frozen result. When exporting, match your sequence settings and pick a codec that preserves sharpness. Use a higher bitrate for motion or retain alpha if compositing. If playback stutters, troubleshoot. Clear the media cache, toggle GPU acceleration in Preferences, or replace the frame hold with an exported still to reduce processing. These steps ensure a crisp freeze and let you fix a common performance issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.